Good morning all of you. Welcome to Amrita IAS Academy. We are resuming our program Learn CSAT through PYQs with another topic called Clock and Calendar. While analyzing the previous year question papers of UPSC CSAT paper, there were around 12 questions have asked from this particular topic. Let me say the topic is very simple and comfortable, as every questions from the topic can be solved by using certain shortcuts and tricks. Every year UPSC have been asking 1 or 2 questions from the topic. Last year there were 2 questions from the topic Clock and Calendar. So anyway, once again welcome to the session Learn CSAT through PYQs. Let's solve the question from the topic from the year 2014. Before moving to the questions, let me give you a brief introduction of the concept of what actually the questions regarding the topic clock and the calendar. As far as the topic clock is concerned, we have to understand certain basic concepts. Okay, so usually questions were asked from the topic like to find the angle between an hour and a minute hand, to find the time in which the hour and minute hand makes an angle of 180 degree, 90 degree or 0 degree, etc. So in order to solve such questions, we have to understand certain basic concepts. Okay, let's see what are the basic concepts. We know that this is a clock and this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Okay, so in an hour there is 60 minutes and 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. Hence we can write 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second, that is 3600 second. So 1 hour is 3600 second. Clear? This is a basic idea. Everyone all of you must have known this idea. Clear? Okay. Another concept is regarding the angle made by the hour and minute hand. We have to understand another basic concept. Okay, that is an hour hand complete 360 degree in 12 hours. This is a basic idea. For example, this hour hand makes a complete revolution, that is makes an angle of or complete an angle of 360 degree in 12 hours. That means if it is 5 AM, when it becomes 5 PM, the hour hand have already made an angle of or revolution of 360 degree. So in 360 degree or an hour hand complete 360 degree within 12 hours. Clear? Okay. So we have to find the angle made in 1 hour and in 1 minute. In order to find that, angle made by hour and in 1 hour is equal to, see actually 360 degree angle is made within 12 hours. Clear? So it can be written as 30 degree within 1 hour. So the hour hand makes an angle of 30 degree within 1 hour. Now if we have to find the angle made by hour hand in 1 minute, how we can find that? See, angle made in 1 minute. So currently the angle made by the hour hand in 1 hour is 30 degree. So this 30 degree divided by 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes. 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes. So we can write 30 degree per 60 minute. So we can write 0.5 degree per 1 minute. So the hour hand makes an angle of 0.5 degree or half degree in 1 minute, which means that when the minute hand moves in 1 minute, when the minute hand move 1 minute, the hour hand makes an angle of half degree. When the minute hand moves 1 minute, the hour hand makes an angle of half degree or 0.5 degree. This basic idea is enough to solve every question regarding angle between hour and minute hand. So we can solve one or two questions from the regarding the angle between hour hand and a minute hand. Okay, so let me take a simple example to find the angle between hour hand and minute hand. Okay, so let me take the time 10:10. Let me take the time 10:10. So the hour hand is at a position of 10 and the minute hand, so 10:10 symbolizes this is 12, 6, 9, 3, it will be 11, 10, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, so 10:10 symbolizes, so this indicate the hour hand, this indicate the hour hand, and 10:10 indicate this is the minute hand, right? Okay, so the hour hand is in the towards the digit 10 and the minute hand towards the digit 2. Clear? Okay, so we have to find this angle made by the hour hand and minute hand. Clear? Okay, fine. Listen, see, we know that the angle made by minute hand while it moves from 10 to 11 is angle. So angle made by the minute hand while it moves from 10 to 11. What will be the angle? Let's find. See, actually the entire angle made by the minute hand while it moves from 10 to 10 will be 360 degree, right? So one complete revolution, a minute hand makes an angle of 360 degree. How many digits are here? How many digits are here? There are 12 digits, or 12, we can say 12 units are there. So angle taken by minute hand while it moves from, or we can say angle taken by minute hand for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, how we can write? So this is the 360 degree is the angle taken by minute hand to complete one revolution. Clear? Okay. Then the angle taken to complete 5 minutes. How many 5 minutes will be? 360 degree divided by. See, 5 minutes indicates that 10 to 11. Clear? So there are 12 digits, 12 units are there. 12 indicates 1 to 12. Clear? So let me take an example. 10:10. Clear? Okay. So we have to find the angle made by the hour hand and minute hand at 10:10. Clear? Okay. So we can write the indicate the time 16, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So 10:10 will be, can be indicated like this. So we have to find the angle made by the hour hand and minute hand. That means we have to find this particular angle. Clear? Okay. We know that this entire angle, we know that the angle taken, or the minute hand takes 360 degree to make complete one revolution, right? Okay, 360 degree to make one revolution. The angle taken by the minute hand to complete 5 minutes, which means the angle covered by the minute hand while it moves from 10 to 11 will be 360 degree divided by 12, that is 30 degree. Why 12? Because it contains 12 elements or 12 units. So in order to cover 1 unit, which means in order to cover or in order to move from 10 to 11, that is to cover 5 minutes, the minute hand makes an angle of 30 degree. Clear? Okay. This is another basic idea. So the minute hand takes 30 degree to cover 5 minutes. Clear? Okay. Now please listen. The direction, we have to find the angle between hour hand and minute hand at the time 10. In order to find that, we have already said that this particular angle makes 30 degree, this particular angle makes another 30 degree, this particular angle makes another 30 degree, this particular angle makes another 30 degree. So totally there will be 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, that is 120 degree will be there. However, if you analyze the time 10:10, you will understand that once the minute hand moves or pass 12, the hour hand will slightly move rightwards. If you analyze the 10:10 time in your watch or clock, you will get to know that the hour hand will not be in the, or the hour hand have taken a slight move towards its right. For example, this is 12, this is 10, this is 2. So at the time 10:10, the minute hand will be definitely towards 2, the digit 2, but the hour hand will not be directly towards the digit 10. Instead, it will be tilted slightly towards the right of 10. That is, if this is to be the actual one, in reality the hour hand have slightly moved towards the right. So we have to subtract, or we have to consider this much angle here. In total, it constitutes an angle of 120 degree. From the 120 degree, we have to subtract this small amount. Clear? Okay. So in order to find this small amount, we have to rely on the idea that an hour hand makes 0.5 degree per 1 minute. An hour hand makes an angle of 0.5 degree per 1 minute. Here the minute hand has moved 10 minutes. If in 1 minute the hour hand makes an angle of 0.5 degree, we can say that in 10 minutes, hour hand moves by what? 10 into 0.5, that is 5 degree. Clear? So in 1 minute, 1 minute indicate when it is 10:1, the hour hand makes an angle or moves 0.5 degree towards the right. When it is 10:2, the hour hand makes further 0.5 degree towards the right. When it becomes 10:10, the hour hand have already made an angle of 5 degree towards the right from its initial position. So that 5 degree has to be subtracted from the total 120 degree. I hope you got the idea. So total there was the angle was 120 degree. From the 120 degree we have to subtract 5 degree. So the answer will be 120 minus 5 degree, that is 115 degree. So the angle made by the hour hand and minute hand will be 115 degree at the time 10:10. Clear? So you will get the idea when I solve one more question. Okay, let me take another time. 7:20. 7:20. First of all, let's draw the clock time. Okay, so 7:20 will be 20. minute hand will be towards the 4, but the hour hand will not be directly towards 7. Instead, it will be tilted towards the right of, or moved to some left of the 7 or right of 7. Clear? In the direction of the clock, it will be moved slightly towards the right of 7. Clear? Okay. So we have to find the angle made by the hour hand and minute hand. Okay, let's find. In the normal case in the sense, if the hour hand is directed towards the 7, then the angle will be 30 degree and 30 degree, together 30 plus 30 plus 30, that is 90 degree. But this additional angle made by the hour hand when the minute hand has moved from 12 to 4 has to be considered. So this additional angle has to be considered here. So this additional angle has to be added. Why added? Because in the previous case the hour hand was tilted towards the right, so the entire angle is reduced by an amount of 5 degree. Here the hour hand has shifted towards the left. If you analyze the diagram, the hour hand has shifted towards the left, so the angle has increased by this much of angle. I hope you got the idea. Clear? So hence the angle, this 90 degree must be added with this extra angle. This extra angle has to be find out. So we have to find the angle made by the hour hand when the minute hand makes a time of or moves 20 minutes. Clear? Okay. So when the minute hand makes 20 minutes, then the angle made by or the angle moved by hour hand will be 20 into 0.5, that is 10 degree. So this 10 degree has to be added here. 90 degree plus 10 degree, the answer will be 100 degree. So the angle made by minute hand and hour hand at the time 7:20 is 100 degree. Clear? So this is the way we have to find the angle between a minute hand and hour hand at any given time. Clear? Okay, so this is the basic idea regarding the angle between an hour hand and a minute hand. Clear? Okay. So by using this basic idea, let's move to the questions. So however, there is a one more method in which we can solve the angle we can find the angle between hour hand and a minute hand. The other idea which the coaching institute often prefers is the angle between an hour hand and minute hand can be find out by using the formula 30h minus 11 by 2m. So the angle between minute hand and hour hand can be find out by using the formula 30h minus 11 by 2m, where h is the hour hand and m is the minute hand. H is hour hand and m is a minute hand. For example, if it is given, if it is given to find, asked to find out the angle made by hour hand and minute hand at the time 10:10, and the angle can be find out by angle is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2m, that is 30 into 10 minus 11 by 2 into 10 h5 10 വേണ്ട നമുക്ക് വേറെ പ്രോബ്ലം എഴുതാം 720 എടുക്കാം. So if we have to find the angle made by the hour hand and minute hand at the time 7:20, so the angle will be equal to 30h minus 11 by 2m, that is 30 into h is 7 minus 11 by 2 into 20 10. 730 is 210 minus 11 into 10 is 110. 210 minus 110 is equal to 100 degree. So this 100 degree is actually the answer which we have obtained in the classical method or traditional method. So the initial method which we have done earlier was a classical method, and this is another shortcut method. Another shortcut method. Clear? But in this shortcut method you have to understand one more thing, that suppose if the for example, if it is asked to find the angle between hour hand and minute hand, the time 10:10, you can solve, you can use this idea. Angle is equal to 30 into the h is 10 minus 11 by 2 into 10. 30 into 10 is 300 minus 11 into 10 to cancel. 11 into 5 is 55, that is 245. So 300 minus 55, it is 245. Clear? But see, if you analyze an angle of 245, for example, if you draw the time 10:10, this will be the angle, shortest angle made by the hour hand and minute hand. Clear? Okay. But it is asked to find the angle, but it is given that the angle is 245 degree. Clear? So actually, so this might be the angle 245 degree. So in order to find this angle, we have to subtract this angle from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 245 degree, that is 115 degree. This will be the correct answer. So if the angle obtained by using this formula is greater than 180 degree, you have to subtract this angle from 360 degree. I am repeating once again. If the angle obtained by using the formula 30h minus 11 by 2m is greater than 180 degree, you have to subtract this angle from 360 degree in order to find the correct angle. Clear? So this is a basic idea regarding the concept clock. By using either of this method, you can solve entire question from the topic clock. UPSC won't ask much tough or difficult question from this particular topic. UPSC only demands some basic understanding of the hour and minute hand and angle between the hour hand and minute hand. Okay. So by knowing this basic idea, we are moving to the questions which the UPSC have asked in the past years. Okay. So the first question, it's a simple question. One need a minimum common sense to answer this question. So the question is, between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m, the minute hand of a clock will be ahead of the hour hand by 3 minutes at. Okay, between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. So this is 6, this is 7, this is 5, 8, 9, 4, 3. Okay. So the question is between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. means 6 minutes xy 6 hour xy minutes. Between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. the minute hand of a clock between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. means the hour hand will be somewhere in between 6 and 7. The minute hand of a clock will be ahead of the hour hand by 3 minutes. So 3 minutes in the sense, let it be here. Clear? Okay. Or somewhere here. 3 minutes. Now look at the options please. The first one is 6:15. Can it be possible? If it is 6:15, then it will be like this. So it is not deferred by 3 minutes. Clear? So the idea is the hour hand of a clock will be ahead of the the minute hand of a clock will be ahead of the hour hand by 3 minutes. So this is not possible in the first case, and also not possible in the second case. 6:18 in the sense it is somewhere like this. So the two hands are not ahead by or deferred by 3 minutes. So second option is not possible, and the last one 6:48 in the indicate 6:48. So this is also not possible because they are not deferred by 3 minutes. So the only probable or possible answer will be 6:36, and it is correct. So if If the hour hand in between 6 and 7, then the minute hand can be 3 minutes ahead of the hour hand, and it can be probably at 6:36 p.m. So it requires minimum common sense, no need to apply any kind of equations or formula here. Clear? Simple question. Next question. A class starts at 11 a.m. and lasts till 2:27 p.m. 4 periods of equal duration are held during this interval. After every period, a rest of 5 minutes is given to the students. The exact duration of each period is. Okay. So the class starts at 11 a.m. and it lasts till 2:27 p.m. So the total duration will be equal to 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. Clear? So total it takes 3 hours and 27 minutes. Right? Yes. So 3 hours is 3 into 60. 1 hour constitutes 1 hour is of 60 minutes. So 3 into 60 minutes plus 27 minutes. So 3 into 60 is 180 minutes plus 27 minutes. So total it contains what? 207 minutes. Clear? Okay. Total it contains 207 minutes. But it also says that it consists of 4 periods, and in between each period there is a break of 5 minutes. Here also a 5 minutes break. Here also a 5-minute break. Clear? So in total there is a break of 15 minutes. So this 15 minutes break has to be subtracted from the total 207 minutes. Clear? Okay. So 207 minutes minus 15 will be equal to what? 192 minutes. 192, 202, 207. So 192 minutes. So the duration of the class excluding the time for interval is 102 minutes, and the 102 minutes spans in 4 periods of each equal duration. So we have to find the duration of each period. So the duration of each period can be obtained by dividing 192 by 4. So we get 32, 8, 4, 32, so 48 minutes. So total 192 minutes, 4 periods are there, 4 periods of equal duration are there. So each period contains 48 minutes time. Clear? So the answer for this question is option A, 48 minutes. Clear? Next question. A clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, and thrice at 3 o'clock, and so on. Okay. If it takes 12 seconds to strike at 5 o'clock, if it takes 12 seconds to strike at 5 o'clock, what is the time taken by it to strike at 10 o'clock? Okay, at 5 o'clock, it takes 12 seconds to strike. So the question is asked to find the number of times or the time taken by the clock to strike at 10 o'clock. It's a simple question. If we take 12 seconds to strike at 5 o'clock, it will definitely take 24 seconds to strike at 10 o'clock. Before 5 into 2 is 10, then definitely 12 into 2 will be the time taken by the clock to strike at 10 o'clock. So the answer is 24 seconds. Simple question, simple answer. Next question. At which one of the following times do the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock make an angle of 180 degree with each other? First option at 7 hours, second option between 7 and 7:05 hours, third option at 7:05 hours, last option between 7:05 and 7:10 hours. Okay. So let me draw the clock diagram for this question. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So anyway, the time is past 7 o'clock. The time is 7 o'clock or past 7 o'clock. We can definitely rule out this option at 7 hours, because at 7 hours it will make an angle, or the hour hand and minute hand will be like this. So it will not make an angle of 180 degree. So we can definitely rule out the option 7 o'clock at 7 hours. Okay. So then the remaining options between 7 and 7.5, 7.5 hours, 7.5, between 7.5 and 7.10. So anyway, in any of these option, the hour hand would have definitely moved a certain angle towards its right. Clear? Okay. At 7 hours, or let me draw, if the hour hand is definitely towards this 7, actually the 1 will be towards here. Okay. So if the hour hand is in the same line of 7 or pointing directly towards 7, and if it makes an angle of 180 degree, then the minute hand will be definitely on the 1 or moving pointing towards 1, so that it makes an angle of 180 degree. You got the idea? That is, if the hour hand is touching the 7 or pointing towards 7, then the minute hand must point towards the digit 1, so that it makes an angle of 180 degree. Clear? Okay. Now in reality or in actual case, the hour hand is not pointing straight towards 7. Instead, it moves little right to its it moves little right towards. So definitely, in order to make an angle of 180 degree, the minute hand should not point towards the digit 1. Instead, it will move towards its right, so that it makes an angle of 180 degree. See, initially, suppose this makes an angle of 180 degree. Clear? Okay. But in reality, it moves towards its right, so that it has to move towards its right also, so that this angle is 180 degree. So definitely the minute hand must move towards its right. So the time will be between 7:05 and 7:10 hours. Clear? So the answer for this question is option D, between 7:05 and 7:10 hours. So the answer for this question is option D. Moving to next question. Assume that the hour hand and minute hand of a clock move without jerking. The clock shows a time between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The two hands of the clock are one above the other. After how many minutes will the two hands be again lying one above the other? Okay, so let me draw the diagram first. Okay. So currently the clock shows a time between 8 and 9, and the hour hand and minute hand lies one above the other. So let the time, let the this is be the minute hand and this is be the hour hand. Clear? Okay, this is the minute hand and this is the hour hand. The smallest one, the largest one is minute hand. Okay. So now at this time, then minute hand and hour hand lies one above the other. We have to find the time, the minutes taken by the minute hand, so that it again lying one above the other. Clear? Okay. So listen carefully. If you understand the basic idea of the time taken to complete 360 degree by minute hand, you will answer this question easily. Clear? Okay, listen. So we know that after the minute hand, after taking 360 degree or 60 minutes, after 60 minutes, the minute hand will be again here, but this after 60 minutes indicates it 1 hour. 1 hour indicates that the hour hand have moved 5 minutes here, the hour hand moved 5 units. Clear? So which means the hour hand has moved towards the right or moved 5 units when the minute hand complete one complete revolution or 360 degree, which means 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes, the hour hand have to move, should have moved 5 units, but the minute hand lies here after 60 minutes. Clear? So 60 minutes. Then if this minute hand has to lie over this hour hand, it has to cover this 5 minutes or 5 units. 5 units in the sense 5 minutes. 1 unit indicates 1 minute. Clear? So this minute hand has to take another 5 minutes so that it becomes close to the hour hand. So 60 minutes plus 5 minutes. But understand one thing, while the minute hand moves towards the right or while the hour hand moves 5 minutes, understand one thing, while the minute hand moves 5 minutes, the hour hand will definitely move. Clear? So we have to find the time or the angle made or the time moved by the hour hand while this minute hand takes 5 minutes. So we have to find that. Understand one thing, we know 60 unit is equal to 60 unit in minutes, which means one complete revolution. 60 units in minutes is equal to 5 units in hour, which means that if the minute hand covers 60 unit, then the hour hand will move 5 units. Clear? Then we can write 12 unit covered by the minute will be equivalent to 1 unit covered by the hour hand, and the 1 unit covered by the minute hand will be equivalent to 1 by 12 unit covered by the hour hand. Simple idea. So we have to find the time covered by the hour hand while the minute hand moves 5 units. I am repeating once again, we have to find the time moved by the hour hand while the minute hand moves from here to here, that while the hour hand covers 5 units. Here hour hand take 1 by 12 unit time when the minute hand moves 1 unit. So if the minute hand moves 5 unit, then hour hand will take 5 by 12 unit. This 5 by 12 units will be approximately equal to 0.4. So this 0.4 unit or 0.4 minute has to be added with this time. So 6 minute plus 5 minutes plus 0.4 minute. So together it is 65.4 minutes. Clear? This 65 minutes can be approximated as 65 minutes. So answer option C will be the answer. I am repeating once again. Initially the hour hand and the minute hand was lying one above the other at a time between 8 and 9. and the other hand is the two hands in between 8 and 9. We are asked to find the minutes at which the two the minutes taken by the or the time taken by the minutes hand, so that it once again the two hands lying one above the other. If initially the two hands were lying one above the other, the minutes hand will definitely has to cover 360 degree to reach this position. That is, it has to take 60 minutes. But when it reaches here, the our hand will move 5 minutes or 5 units towards right. 5 units in the sense 5 minutes. So initially the minute hand made a complete revolution or covers with 60 minutes, reach further here, then moves 5 units so as to reach along with this hour hand. But during that time the hour hand also moves a little bit towards right. Clear? So we have to find that time also. In order to find that time, we rely on this basic idea that when the minute hand takes 60 units or complete revolution, the hour hand makes 5 units or 5 units. 60 unit is equal to 5 unit, so we can write 12 unit is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 1 by 12 unit at hour. So 5 unit, that means the time taken by the hour hand while the minute hand moves 5 minutes will be equal to 5 by 12 unit, that is 5 by 12 minutes. 5 by 12 is equal to 0.4. This 0.4 has to be added along with the 60 minutes and 5 minutes. So it gives 65.4 minutes. Approximately it can be rounded as 65 minutes. So the answer for this question is 65. Next question. A watch loses 2 minutes in every 24 while another watch gains 2 minutes in every 24 hours. At a particular instant, the two watches showed an identical time. Which of the following statement is correct if 24-hour clock is followed? Option A. The two watches shows the identical time again on completion of 30 days. The two watches shows the identical time again on completion of 90 days. The two watches show the identical time again on completion of 120 days. None of the statement is correct. Okay. So one clock, it loses 2 minutes. Another clock, it gains 2 minutes. Clear? So one clock lost 2 minutes, other clock gains 2 minutes. So their difference is difference between time. Difference between their time is equal to what is 4 minutes. So the difference between their time, they are lagged by or deferred by 4 minutes. Clear? Okay. 4 minutes what per 24 hour or 4 minutes per 1 day. Then we have to find which of the following statement is correct. But the question is which the two watches shows the identical time again. At what time the two watches show the identical time? Okay. See, initially the two clocks differ by 4 minutes by that 4 minutes of time per 24 hours. So in a day they are differed by 4 minutes. In 2 days they are differed by 8 minutes. In 3 days they are differed by what? 12 minutes. And it goes on. But the question is, at what time after they show identical time? Understand one thing. If the first clock is at 10 o'clock, then the other clock will be 10:04, and so that they are differed by 4 minutes. Clear? So the first clock is at 10, the other clock is 10:04, so that the time is differed by 4 minutes. After what time they will show identical time? They are differed by 4 minutes per day, 8 minutes per 2 day, 12 minutes per 3 day. After when the difference between time is 24 hours, they show identical time. They show identical time. So once the difference between the two clock time, once the difference in the time between two clocks is 24 hours, they are differed by 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, and when the difference become 24 hours, they both show identical time. Clear? Okay, so we have to find the days taken so that the difference between time of two clock is 24 hours. Clear? Okay, understand. So per day the difference is 4 minutes. Clear? Per day the difference is 4 minutes. In 24, when the difference is 24 hours, both clock will show identical time once again. Clear? So 24 hours, in the sense 24 hours converting into minutes, we get 24 into 60, that is 1440 minutes. So they show identical time in 1440 minute. So we have to find the number of days taken. In one day they are differed by, or the time gap is, one day the time gap is 4 minutes. In one day the time gap is 4 minutes. So the in order to find the number of days, in which the time gap is 1440 minute, the number of days in which the time gap becomes 1440 minutes is equal to 1440 divided by what? 4. 1440 divided by 4 is equal to 24, it's 6, 360. So it takes 360 days so that the two clocks show identical time. So initially it is given that the time between two clocks is differed by 4 minutes per day. Clear? Okay, so we understood that it takes 24 hours. When the gap becomes 24 hours, when the gap between the two when the gap between the time of two clock become 24 hours, they show identical time. Clear? So if the gap has to become 24 hours, it will take 360 days. How we got 360 days? We know that 24 hour converting into minute, it will take 1440 minute. So which means if the gap is 1440 minute, they will show identical time. In one day the time gap is 4 minutes. To attain the time gap of 1440, it requires 360 days. However, none of the three options mention the actual value. So the answer for this question is option D. None of the above statements is correct. So the answer for this question is option D. Clear? Next, we are going to discuss about our second topic, that is calendar. Calendar. See, the basic idea regarding calendar is to get to know what is actually a normal year and a leap year. A normal year, regarding the concept of calendar, a normal year is an year in which the month February contain only 28 days, right? Clear? Okay. But a leap year means, a leap year is an year in which the month February contain 29 days, one extra days. Or otherwise we can say a normal year is an year which contain 365 days, and a leap year is an year which contains 366 days. The one additional day is the 29th day of the month February. So that's the difference between a normal year and a leap year. This is a basic idea that everyone might know. Clear? Okay. Another thing, I am going to discuss about the idea of odd days. Before moving to the idea of odd days, let me say the cyclical nature of the 7 days in any calendar. For example, if you analyze here, I am taken two calendar of the month Jan 2022 and February 2022. In Jan 2022, the first day, the New Year day, is Saturday, and the 8th day of the month is also Saturday, which means that the same day repeat after every 7 days. The same day repeat after every 7 days. After every 7 days, in the sense after every 1 week, the same day repeat. This is a basic and common understanding. Clear? Okay, after every 7 days, the same day repeats. This is a basic idea in order to learn the concept of odd days. So what do you mean by odd days, or what actually the odd day means? The idea of odd day implies, the idea of odd day is the extra day after completion of 1 week. After completion of 1 week. This after completion of 1 week implies after completing 1 week, the same day repeats, which we seen just before. Jan 2022, first day of Jan 2022 was on Saturday, and the 8th Jan 2022 was also Saturday. How it happens? The same day repeats after completion of 1 week. Now we have to understand the idea of odd day. Odd day is an extra day after completion of 1 week. For example, let me say in a normal year, it contains 365 days, right? In a normal year, it contains it has 365 days. 365 days implies 52 weeks. 52 weeks in the sense 52 into 7, 364. 52 weeks plus 1 day. So this 365 days implies 52 complete weeks plus 1 day. Clear? Okay. 52 complete weeks indicates if Jan 1st of a normal year is falls on Friday, then 52 complete weeks in the sense the 31st of December. Then 31st December is the 31st December completes the 52 weeks. So 31st December will fall on the same day of 1st January of that year. I am repeating once again. If 2021 Jan 1 was on Friday, if 2021 Jan 1 was on Friday, this is a normal year, then 2021 December 31st will definitely fall on Friday, because December 31st 2021 completes 52 weeks, or completes a weeks. So if it since it complete 52 weeks, this 31st December 2021 will fall on Friday. Now the idea is, if you have asked to find the day 2022 Jan 1st, then definitely 2022 Jan 1st will be on what? Saturday. Definitely yes, 2022 Jan 1st is on Saturday. Okay. How we get the idea? See, 2021, the year 2021 contain what? 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. Clear? if 2021 Jan 1st is on Friday, Jan 1st is on Friday, then 2022 Jan 1st will be on 2022 Jan 1st, it falls on the next day of Friday. How we got the next day? Because 2021 contain 52 weeks plus one odd day. You will clearly understand the idea once we solve the questions from the topic. Okay, understand the basic things, that odd day is the extra day after completing 1 week or completing a week. And by using this odd day, we can find the days. By understanding the odd days, we can find any day which coming on any particular date. Clear? Okay. For example, one more example. For example, if Jan 5 falls on, for example, it's Tuesday. Jan 5 falls on Tuesday, and we are asked to find the day on which Jan 16 falls. Jan 16 falls. Jan 5 is on Tuesday, and we are asked to find the day on which Jan 16 falls. See, the difference between 16 and 5 is 11, and then we have to find the number of odd days in this 11 days. Okay, so it takes a 1 complete week plus 4 odd days. So the 11 days contains 1 complete week and 4 odd days. Clear? Okay. After completing 1 week, the same day falls, that means Tuesday. Then 4 odd days in the sense Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if Jan 5 is on Tuesday, then we are asked to find the day on which Jan 16 falls. Then we have to find the difference between the two numbers, that is 16 minus 5 is 11. Then find the number of odd days within 11, and 11 contain 1 complete week plus 4 odd days. Now after completing this 1 week, the same day falls Tuesday, then 4 odd days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's not Sunday, it's actually Saturday. It's Saturday. Okay, let's check whether it is correct or not. Jan 5 is Tuesday, then 6 is Wednesday. If Jan 5 is Tuesday, then we can find Jan 12 is Tuesday. Jan 12 is Tuesday, 13 is Wednesday, 14 is Thursday, 15 is Friday, 16 is Saturday. Yes, it's correct. Without counting the days, we got the answer by using the idea of odd days. So this is a simple technique to find the day on which on a particular day, so date on which a particular day falls. Clear? Okay. So by using this basic idea, we can solve all the questions from this topic. Clear? One more thing. See, every month contain certain odd days. For example, the month of January contain 31 days, or January has 31 days. 31 days implies 4 weeks plus 3 odd days. Clear? Then February, if it's a ordinary year, it has 28 days. So it has 4 weeks only without any odd day. But if it is a leap year, it has 29 days. 29 days implies 4 weeks plus 1 odd day. Clear? Okay, so the month of Jan contain 3 odd days. February contain 1 odd day. March has 3 odd day because March has 31 days. 3 odd days. April has 2 odd day. May has 3 odd days. June has 2 odd day. July has 3 odd day. August has 3 odd day, September has 2 odd day, October has 3 odd day, November has 2 odd day, December has 3 odd days. So like this we can find the number of odd days in every month. This idea is essential for solving certain type of questions from the topic calendar. So understand the basic things. Odd days is the extra days after completion of weeks, and by using after completion of weeks in the sense the same day falls, then counting the number of odd days we will get the actual day of the particular date. Clear? Okay. So by using this basic idea we can solve entire questions. The first question: if the third day of a month is Monday, which one of the following will be the fifth day from 21st of this month? Okay, so third day is on Monday. Then we are asked the day, fifth day from 21st of this month. Fifth day from 21st implies 26th day. So we are asked to find the 26th day of the month. Okay, so third day is on Monday, 26th. We are asked to find the 26th day. So what is the difference? 26 minus 3, it is 23. We have to find the number of odd days in 23 days. 23 days implies what? 3 weeks, 3 complete weeks plus 2 odd days. Clear? Yes, 2 odd days. So 3 complete weeks in the sense after completed 3 weeks the same day falls Monday. Then 2 odd days. 2 odd days means Monday plus 1 Tuesday, Tuesday plus 1 Wednesday. So the answer for this question will be option C, Wednesday. 26th day of this month will fall on Wednesday. Clear? Okay. Simple question. Next one. If second and fourth Saturdays, this was a question asked last year. If second and fourth Saturdays and all the Sundays are taken as only holidays for an office, what would be the minimum number of possible working days of any month of any year? Okay, so we are asked to find the minimum number of possible working days. Okay, in order to find the minimum number of possible working days, we have to consider a situation in which it has maximum number of holidays. Maximum number of holidays in the sense Sunday and second and fourth Saturday. Clear? Okay. In order to contain the minimum number of possible working days, we have to consider one more thing. We have to choose a month having least number of days. Least number of days. Okay, so a month having least number of days is a month of February in a normal year. Okay, fine. See, a month of February, it contains how many days? It has 28 days. Clear? Okay. The condition is we have to take maximum number of holidays. Since the question is asked to find the minimum number of possible working days. Okay, so in order to choose maximum number of possible working days, I am taking the month February 1 on Sunday. February 1 on Sunday. If February 1 is on Sunday, then what? February 7 will be on Saturday. Clear? Okay. If February 7 is on Saturday, which implies February 14 will be on Saturday, February 21 will be on Saturday, February 28 will fall on Saturday. Clear? Similarly, February 8 will fall on what? Sunday. February 15 will fall on Sunday. February 22 will fall on Sunday. Okay. February 22 on Sunday, February 28 on Saturday. So, the question is, if second and fourth Saturday and all the Sundays are taken as holidays, so all the Sundays are taken as holiday means February 1, February 8, February 15, February 22 is taken as holidays. So 4 holidays are here. and then the second and fourth Saturdays are taken as holiday. This is the second Saturday and this is a fourth Saturday. So total it contains 2 Saturday holiday, 2 Saturdays as holidays. So together there are 6 holidays in the month. Okay, so this is a month contain least number of days, and we are taken maximum number of holidays, and maximum it can have 6 number of holidays. Clear? Okay, so the month contain 28 days, the month contain 28 days, and out of these 28 days 6 days are holidays. So the remaining number of days will be the number of working days, and it's 22. So the minimum number of possible working days of any month of any year will be answer 22. Got the idea? Okay, moving to next question. If in a particular year 12th Jan is on Sunday, then which one of the following is correct? 12th Jan is on Sunday. Options: 15th July is Sunday if the year is a leap year. 15th July is a Sunday if the year is not a leap year. 12th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. 12th July is not a Sunday if the year is a leap year. Okay, so two dates are here, 15th July and 12th July. We have to check whether 15th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year or not. If 12th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year, and 12th July is not a Sunday if the year is if the year is a leap year. Okay, fine. So 12th Jan and July. So let me take 12th July at first. If I know the day on which 12th July falls, then I can find the correct conclusion. I can choose the correct conclusion, correct answer. See, 12th June, so Jan is on Sunday. It falls on Sunday. Clear? Okay. So the remaining months, how many months are remaining in the, how many days are remaining? So there remains 19 days, right? Out of the 90 days, how many odd days are there? There are 5 odd days. So in the month of Jan, there are 5 odd days. Clear? Then the next month is February. Let me take the year as a non-leap year or an ordinary year. Then the February contain how many odd days? It contains 0 odd days. Then February, next March. March contain 31 days. 31 days contain how many odd days? It has 3 odd days. Then the month is April. April has 30 days. 30 days contain 2 odd days. Clear? The next is May. May contain 31 odd days. 31 odd days in the sense, 31 days. 31 days in the sense 3 odd days. May. Next is June. June contain 30 days. 30 days means 2 odd days. Clear? Okay. So the date we have taken is 12th July. 12th July means there are 12 days. 12 days in the sense, how many odd days? 1 complete week, 7 days plus 5 odd days. Clear? Okay. So now we have to add the odd days, entire odd days. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So the total number of odd days is 20. 20 odd days are there. Clear? Okay. 20 odd days. This 20 odd days contain how many weeks? There will be 2 complete week plus then remaining 6 odd days. 6 odd days. So we have to add 6 odd days together with Sunday. So 6 odd days means Sunday plus 1 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So if it is a non-leap year, then July, if it is a non-leap year, then July 12th will fall on Saturday. Clear? If it is a non-leap year, then July 12th will fall on Saturday. The 6 odd days. Clear? Okay. Then what if it is a leap year? If it was a leap year, then February will have 21 days. 21 days implies it will have 1 odd day. If it has 1 odd day, then the number of odd days will be 21 days. Clear? 21 days implies 3 complete weeks. 3 complete weeks, which means that if the year is a leap year, then the 12th July will fall on the same day as that of 12th January. Why? Because it completes a week. It doesn't have any odd day. Since the day comes, since the 12th July, if there is a leap year, since 12th July complete a full week, then the day will fall on the Sunday. So the answer will be 12th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Which day is 10th October 2027? Okay, the rationale behind asking this particular date, because this was a question asked last year UPSC paper, and the exam was conducted on 10th October 2021 and the day was Sunday, as you all know. But the question is asked to find the day on 10th October 2027. This question can be solved if you know the basic idea of number of odd days. Clear? Okay. Say 10th October 2021 falls on Sunday, then 10th October 2022 will fall on. See, the number of odd days in the year 2022, it's 1. Clear? Okay, 1 odd day. 1 odd day means the 10th October 2022 will be 1 day more than Sunday. That is Sunday plus 1. It's Monday. Clear? Then 10th October 2023, this year also has 1 odd day. So the day falls on Monday plus 1. It's Tuesday. Then 10th October 2024, the year 2024 is a leap year, so it has 2 odd days. So it will the day will fall on Tuesday plus 2, that is Wednesday, Thursday. Then 10th October 2025, the year contain only 1 odd day, so the day fall on Thursday plus 1 is Friday. Clear? The next is 10th October 2026. The year also has 1 odd day only, so Friday plus 1 it's Saturday. And the last one, 10th October 2027, this year also has only 1 odd day, so Saturday plus 1 it will be on Sunday. So the 10th October 2027 will fall on, not Monday, will fall on Sunday. Option A is the correct answer. Moving to next question, and it is the last question from the topic. Joseph visits the club on every 5th day. Harsh visits on every 24th day, while Sumit visits on every 9th day. If all 3 of them met at the club on Sunday, then on which day will all 3 of them meet again? Okay, Joseph visits on every 5th day, Harsh visits on every 24th day, then Sumit visits on every 9th day. So the question is asked to find the day on which all of them meet again, which means that the day in which all come together, or the how many days after they will meet again. So the idea behind the question is to find the least common factor or LCM of these 3 numbers 5, 24 and 9. So that we will get a least common number of all the 3. And on that day all the 3 will come together, will come to the club. Clear? Okay. So to find the LCM, let me take 3, 5, 8, 3, 24, 3, 3, 9, 8, 5 is 40, 40 plus 9 is 360. So the least common multiple is 360. On 360th day, all of them will come to the club. Clear? Okay. But actually, the last day, if all of them met on this Sunday, and after on 360th day, they will come again to the club together. Okay. So the day 360 contain how many odd days we can find? 7 5 is 35, 10, 1 7 7 3. So the day 360 contain how many odd days? 3 odd days. Contain 3 odd days. After completing 51 weeks plus 3 odd days. So after completing 51 weeks, after completing 51 weeks, the same day falls, that is Sunday falls. Then the next 3 odd days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So they will meet again on the day Wednesday. Clear? So the answer for this question is option B. So that's the end of this session. Learn CSAT through PYQs. We have solved around 12 questions from the topic clock and calendar. That idea is very simple. If you understand the basics of the clock and calendar, you will able to solve entire questions from this particular topic. So learn and practice more questions from the topic. So have a nice day. Thank you.
Amrita IAS Academy.